Creating comparison videos for affiliate marketing on YouTube is an excellent strategy for beginners. It not only provides valuable information to your audience but also showcases multiple affiliate products at once. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it, along with an earnings example. Step 1. Choose products in the same category that you want to compare. Ensure these products are relevant to your audience and available through your affiliate programs. For example, if you're into technology, you might compare the latest iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and Google Pixel smartphones. Step 2. Research each product thoroughly. Understand their features, pros, cons, pricing, and user experiences. Be unbiased. Maintain an objective viewpoint to build trust with your audience. Step 3. Plan your video. Outline the comparison. Structure your video to cover all aspects of the product's design, performance, price, etc. Storyboard. Plan how you'll visually present each product. Consider showing the products side by side, using graphics to compare features, etc. Step 4. Create your video content. Make sure your presentation is clear, engaging, and professionally executed. Edit the video to make it concise and visually appealing. Step 5. Optimize and upload. Perfect search engine optimization. I use vidIQ. It's the best YouTube SEO tool. vidIQ is great for title, tag, and description keywords and can be the difference between videos that get 100 views and videos that get 1,000,000 views. Click my vidIQ affiliate link in the description below. Include your affiliate links. Add your affiliate links in the video description. Clearly state they are affiliate links. Step 6. Step 6. Promote your video. Share your video on social media platforms. Respond to comments and questions on your video. For example, here is a video I did a couple years ago. Video topic: iPhone 13 versus Samsung Galaxy S21 versus Google Pixel 6 Ultimate Smartphone Comparison. I API'd for Amazon Associates and Best Buy Affiliate Program. In the first 30 days, I got 10,000 views on my video. A 5% click-through rate, 500 clicks. Conversion rate: a conservative 2% conversion rate, 10 sales. Average commission per sale of $50. Sale price of $1,000 with a 5% commission. So with 10 sales multiplied by $50 in commission equals $500 total earnings from this video. Comparison videos are a fantastic way for beginners to start affiliate marketing on YouTube. They provide valuable content for viewers and can generate significant affiliate income. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires consistency, so keep producing high-quality content and refining your strategy over time.